Oh, look at this little dog.
Wait, let me see. Oh, little puppy, bring it in. I don't know who barking, man. What up, vlog? I'm with Abel Wable. Say what up, Abel. He's currently locked in on the. We're gonna go to the mall. It's gonna be a different type of vlog. We haven't seen you guys in a minute.
Actually, we didn't work.
We didn't work last week, so that's probably why I didn't pick up the camera. But today we're gonna go to the mall. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. Later we play later at Rio. So yeah, I do need a jacket, so I'm gonna just.
I got you, son. Don't worry. Anything on me, Dad. I mean, Mijo.
All right, Abel said everything on him, so.
Anything, not everything.
Hey, he said everything on him. So we're gonna go to the mall. See you guys at Rivertown. Ponte la cachucha bien. Someone make a sticker out of this. We're at Rivertown Mall. We never do like a day in a vlog, right?
I don't know. First time playing, right? What do you think about his earrings, y'all?
Earrings or no earrings, chat? Earrings or no earrings, chat? Look, Abel finally changed fit. He's starting to look like me. Jordan.
Don't worry about it, bro. And then I'll do a coat. Oh, yeah. Anything else?
What you just get, Abel?
Come on.
Alright, watch your mouth.
Niggas be like,
That's your bottle?
yeah, I don't know.
I should have fire, players. That boy Alex, dang, he in there.
Like, wait, away.
I smoke. So I ate earlier. I got me some crab ragoon. Shout out my boy Alex. He got me the crab ragoon. I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it from this spot. Got the sweet and sour sauce. You want another one?
No.
All you want one.
Does it come with 4?
Yeah. I don't double dip. Kevin put me on a little sweet sour sauce. He said it tastes like the crema from the pan. Cheers. Alright. They just got done eating. I usually either get DQ or Surf City, but always se me antoja Surf City. Shout out my boy Eddie, he put me on the pineapple peach. We're gonna go to Macy's. Cause I need a jacket. Fuck it.
What are you trying on, Jill?
Trying on a sweater.
From where? You already got that brand on.
Oh, them motherfuckers soft.
Let's see what Kevin said.
Ooh.
We got my girl La Tiny when she get out la pinta with my fucking perro.
Look, them motherfuckers
Fuck, you digging at me, perro.
Abel.
What? What you sipping on?
Your mama.
You can't really sip on her. Alright. How much is this?
Huh?
Chill, bro. Oh, fuck, no. It's too far.
Is it too big? A little big?
Yeah. You can shrink it though in the washer.
Dude, them motherfuckers feel good. Shit.
Cali niggas be like.
Oh, hell no. Al Capone question mark? A ver. Te no vas a ponerte la cara.
Ah, shit hurt.
This shit doesn't even fit.
Let me tap in real quick and then I'll give you a call.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, bro.
For sure.
Let's start your house. What's up? Fuck, it's very good. I'm not gonna show his face, but.
Girl, you give me that extra
Tú deja ahí. Alright. I'm gonna put a Megatron. Alright, y'all. El Correazo coming soon. Look at you. He just got the payment right now. Chill. Chill. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go. Where we gonna go? Yeah, we're gonna keep looking around.
Probably.
I need a sweater. I can't find a sweater. Someone said that's me and Abel. What the fuck? Tú tranquilito, wey. Where we at?
So the Galaxy, y'all will.
No, not a Galaxy. Are you full?
A lion. Send me a lion out.
Hey, you wanna shout out anybody like from like around the states?
Shout out to your mamas. God bless the MILF.
Alright. We just left the mall. We're gonna go set up at Rio.
Ay, tener muchas ganas de limpiar. contenedores.
I'll go to that shit.
You won't do it. Do it.
Come here.
You won't.
Not in a clear path though.
You won't. You won't. You won't. You won't. Do it. Do it. Bruh. Go, go, go. Tú nomás tírale un poquito de nieve, güey.
Ay, güey, no me voy a pegar, güey.
Los contenedores.
You, bitch.
That slick.
Era para blaquecito, güey.
Put this right here, look.
Come back over here.
Tú tranquilita, güey.
Hold it. Oh, weird.
Ooh! 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 Oh, hell no. You got mochos coming down. Oh, hell no. Alright, y'all, we just got here. We're setting up currently. It's been a minute since we played, right? It's been like
A week, 2 weeks, nothing?
like, yeah, since the year started, 2 weeks. We're gonna set up. And Abel's gonna go live on TikTok. We're setting up, bitch. Págate de ahí. Tú tiny. Págate de ahí. You're setting up. And done. Oh. That boy eating. He always gotta eat.
Bro, it's a...
Levi finally came. He came late for the first time ever. He came late. Damn! Oh, hell no. We got the famoso Gino Wino here.
Gino
from TikTok. What you talking about, bro? If y'all see it, he pop up in my For You page all the time. I'll be taking a shit, and then my boy over here singing sad songs. We got Levi.
This is that TikTok meetup, bro.
Type shit.
TikTok night.
Fuck it.
It's a meet and greet, bro.
TikTok, yeah, meet and greet.
We're gonna see if school does get down today, you know what I'm saying?
No, you gonna get down. You getting down.
Oh, what the fuck? Gino, ¿dónde está la dieta, viejo?
¿Qué dieta, güey?
Diet starts Monday.
No
sé cuál
Monday, pero un Monday,
güey.
El otro año, güey.
El otro año, Nick.
Hey, after that
Nick, está imitando tacos. No, I'm good, bro. Saludcita a la
I'll take one for you, bro. You said after you put that camera down, you're gonna take one. You know damn what?
Nah, chat. Hey, dub Gino for hopping on stage, bro.
My heart's still
Ahí se ocuparon huevos. Gino, you had fun? How did it feel? Getting on stage.
Cold as fuck.
This shit cold and
Dum, dum, dum.
Hell yeah.
Everybody go tap on Gino. He famous as fuck. He put in Michigan in the map, chat. Chat.
TikTok is 10. It's
Yeah,
right.
y'all already know. Y'all already know. Tap in with Gino. We know.
I can't even
Taking Michigan away. What the
He's
fuck?
taking Michigan. Though.
Fuck
Hey,
no.
Dub Gino though. Dub
Hey,
Gino.
Marlon, wait.
Hey.
Everybody follow the band if y'all want to go to after party. Come on, vámonos. We just got to an after party. So what the fuck happened? I don't know what the fuck happened to my boy Chris Shop. I don't know what the fuck happened. Como quebraron la puerta, no sé qué tanto. Ah, hell no. But we're gonna set up over there. El comba Flappy Bird. ¡Hala! 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 Ya, ahora sí ya valió chetos. ¡Oh! ¡Que la tumben! ¡Que la tumben! It's gonna Flappy Bird! Flappy Bird! Oh no no! Wait, where's that? Where's that? Hey DSL! DSL, come here!
Move the van, bro.
Come away!
Muévelo, muévelo. Oh, fuck no. Hear that shit move. I'm telling you, be careful, bro.
God damn.
Nigga, you good?
Shit, that bitch gonna smack my head.
Fuck no. But this is how we started the privada? Oh, fuck no. Wait. I told you to bend it. Bro. Hey,
Abelito, oh.
hey.
Do the thing.
Little thing.
Wink.
No, the little thing you just did.
Nigga, you coked up?
This shit's scary.
Oh, fuck.
Think of me the
What you think, Gino?
Ya me cansé, güey.
Did it hit you?
Why are you helping?
The fuck for what? Oh, fuck no.
You guys saw the garage door fall? So they moved us here. Yeah, we're gonna pack up. We're tired.
I mean, we just got done at Rio. We got another gig. This is where we at again. We were playing over there, but we're playing by the door now. I don't know. Have y'all seen that clip of the garage falling? I don't know. I'll get back to you when they start playing and see what happens. Part 2. Let me see your lip.
I was bleeding, I can't.
Let me see.
I can't.
Let me see.
It's bleeding.
Quiero ser el rímel de tu pestaña para ver a dónde voy.
Alright, we just got done. Shit, hold on. We just got done. 7 a.m. Se me nació. Solo 7 de la mañana. Stupid ass not, but we just got done. We're gonna pack up. So on the gig. We'll catch you on the next one. Escoltas afuera.
We're here saying that. We out. The gig done. We done.
Ya vete a dormir.
That nigga sleeping. Yeah, right here, we already done. Go to the rumbar. Yeah.
No se asusten, se retienen la charola pesa más que chalecón otra vez.
Why are we supposed to not wearing it? What the fuck?
Dude, that's 2 more last fucking clothes.